This particular section of the course is about organizing. You have to organize yourself, more than yourself. We have talked about self-organization, self-management. Now it's the time to organize the resources. Now, what are resources? Obviously, when it comes to resources, we talk about books, all the reference books that are available. We talk about the notes that we have made with the teachers. We talk about, all the CDs and DVDs that are available to us, or the web-based resources that are available to us. So all these resources, you have to be aware of all the resources that may be utilized by you, that are available to you. Fine. So identify all the resources, fine, and use them to your advantage. Fine. You cannot really rely on one particular resource, that is the book only, and then expect of getting highest grades. No, you have to use a mix of everything, fine, where you are not only using the reference books, but you are also using the DVDs, you are also using the web-based resources, and the lectures provided by the teachers. All these things, they have to be utilized by you in order to get the best results. So please try to use resources to maximize your proficiency level in the subject and in order to get the best results. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next clip.